One of the biggest reasons Liam Hemsworth chose veganism is his opposition to animal cruelty and the ethical aspects. After gathering all the information about animal cruelty, I could no longer eat meat. The more I learned, the harder it became to eat meat. His statement shows that awareness of the suffering animals endure in factory farming environments played a decisive role in his dietary changes. He mentioned that beyond simply his own health, as he learned about the treatment of animals within the livestock industry, continuing to eat meat became impossible. This suggests that the expansion of compassion for all living beings led to a change in his diet. He stated that he didn't feel good about ethically supporting these industries, making clear his opposition to causing unnecessary suffering to animals. Liam Hemsworth said he experienced positive physical and mental effects through veganism, which serves as motivation for those seeking health benefits. There are no negatives to eating this way. I feel nothing but positive mentally and physically. I love it. I feel like it also has a kind of domino effect on the rest of my life. He mentioned that after starting veganism, he had more energy, his sleep quality improved, and his endurance during exercise got better. These experiences show that veganism is not merely a sacrifice, but can be a choice that enhances the quality of life. In addition to animal protection, Liam Hemsworth is aware of the environmental benefits of veganism. He expressed concern about the adverse effects that industries producing animal products have on the environment, suggesting that choosing veganism can have a positive impact on the environment. His words, "It's not good for the environment, it's not good for people, and it's certainly not good for animals," emphasize that veganism is a choice for the harmony of the larger world along with individual health. Liam Hemsworth's practice of veganism also influenced his brother. It is said that while talking about veganism, he encouraged his famous older brother, actor Chris Hemsworth, to consume more plant-based foods. This is an example showing that veganism does not simply stay within an individual's diet, but can spread positive change by having a good influence on those around them. The case of Liam Hemsworth shows that veganism is not simply following a trend, but a choice stemming from deep values of ethical consciousness, respect for life, and environmental protection. His message can inspire non-vegans to realize that what we eat is what we support, and that they can bring positive change to the world through their own dinner tables.